Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am diving into the world of audio luxury as we revisit the Apple AirPods Max after 1.5 years later. The question on everyone's mind, are they still worth it in 2023? Let's find out. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this AirPod from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First things first, let's talk about the basics. The AirPods Max weigh in at 385 grams, providing a substantial yet comfortable feel. These headphones bring a premium and sleek design to your audio experience. One of the standout features of the AirPods Max is their active noise cancellation. How does it hold up after 1.5 years of use? We'll be diving into that, but spoiler alert, it's still a game changer for immersive, distraction-free listening. Now let's talk endurance. The AirPods Max boast a battery life of 20 hours on a single charge. Does it still hold up in real-world usage? We'll explore how this impressive battery life aligns with day-to-day activities and long-haul flights. Staying connected is crucial, and with Bluetooth 5.0, the AirPods Max ensures a seamless wireless experience. We'll discuss how well they pair with various devices and if they maintain a stable connection over time. Under the hood, the Apple H1 headphone chip powers these audio giants. Paired with the intuitive controls, including the digital crown, noise control button, and Siri integration, how do they enhance the overall user experience? We'll be diving into the ease of use and functionality. So, after 1.5 years, are the Apple AirPods Max still worth the investment in 2023? Join me as we explore every aspect of these premium headphones from design to functionality. If you're considering making the leap into high-end audio, this review is a must-watch. If you're excited to rediscover the Apple AirPods Max, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments if you're still rocking these headphones. Thanks for tuning in, and let's dive into the world of audio excellence together.